Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you how to check your warranty information. At first you have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. Now we have to go into our device info. Now we have to scroll all the way down into About. Now below there's all information. We have limited warranty and expires now. We have to click on it and now we can see coverage details, for example hardware service and chat and phone support. Now we can download our Apple Support app. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.